Hi there, students. Gripe. To gripe as a verb, or a gripe as a countable noun. Let's see, a gripe is a complaint. So my only gripe about the holiday was the fact that we had to pay extra for the wine, for example. And then as a verb, to gripe, to complain continuously about something in a rather annoying way. So he's always griping about the fact that his job is boring. To moan, to complain continually. Oh, stop griping. It's not important enough to complain about. So a gripe can either be a reasonable complaint, a strong complaint if you like. Yeah, my biggest gripe about living in this house is the fact that it's next to a main road. Yeah, and stop griping about having to work on Saturdays. Yeah, at least you've got a job. Okay, so this is the idea of to gripe. Yeah, to gripe, to complain in a nagging way, to grumble. Yeah, and then to gripe, to complain about something. Yeah, so he's always airing his gripes. Okay, so to complain about something in a persistent way, to groan, to moan, to grumble, to whine about something, to bleat about something. And then a gripe. A gripe is a complaint. I think I would say it's probably a minor complaint, but a complaint of all types. Yeah, the kids were griping that I had given them too much homework. Yeah. Notice as well, in the US, they have something that they give babies called gripe water. And gripe in this case is intestinal pain, in problems in the intestines, or maybe for tooth pain as well. But gripe water, it's something with some sort of sedative or some sort of aspirin to reduce the pain. Okay, so gripe, to complain persistently, naggingly. Yeah, or a gripe, a complaint, either a minor one or a normal one. So to gripe, to complain, to grumble, to bleat about something. And then as a noun, a complaint, a protest, an objection. Yeah, a grievance, something like that. So yeah, he's always griping about one thing or the other. Yeah, I wish he wouldn't gripe about unimportant things because, it's just annoying to hear somebody always complaining, always griping on and on. Okay, to gripe, formality. He's always griping about this. I think I'm going to give it a 4.5 in formality. Using an informal conversation, a semi-formal conversation, a semi-formal writing, but don't go any further than that. And then as to origin, well, it comes from Proto-Germanic gripana, which comes from Proto-Indo-European grade, meaning to grab or to grasp. Yeah, and I think there's maybe an old meaning of gripe talking about grabbing, but I wouldn't use that today. So, to gripe, to complain, to whine. He's always griping about one thing or another. And yeah, he has several gripes. A complaint, often a petty one, often a trivial one, but not necessarily. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. If you didn't like it, you can gripe about it. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To gripe.